Ever wonder why some people turn garage ideas into empires while most dreams just fade away? Well, your legacy comes from your daily choices, not big monuments, but small choices. Welcome to day 57 of our 88 days journey to be new you. And here I am, Charanjit with International NLP trainer, master practitioner, NLP, and lot more. So, research shows legacy means three things: who you really are, who you help others, and the good you leave. Legacy grows from small daily choices like planting seeds that become big trees for your family. Today, psychology proves thinking about legacy helps you make smarter long term decisions that benefit your generations. So, today, just do a easy practice. Right now, grab paper or in your phone, write three important choices like maybe you want to spend more time with your family, a career move. Next to each, ask, will this help me? Will this help my family in long term or just disappear? Take a deep breath, feel that strength inside. Pick one to do today. Repeat 3 times this week. Simple, very simple reflection. Think and write. What daily habits hurt my legacy? Which choice today feels most important to me? What values to me? Find what really matters to you. Legacy is built in moments, not in milestones. Small choices create lasting impact. So today, tag your friend,